thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bootable thumb drive that you can use to reinstall OS X Mavericks onto your Mac. The reason to do this is I know OS X creates restore partition on your hard drive, but what if your hard drive dies and you have to install a new hard drive? Well, with this thumb drive, since most new Mac doesn't have DVD drive, you can use to install OS X, fresh clean install of OS X on your Mac. So you're gonna need at least an 8 GB thumb drive. This is pretty old, but it'll do the trick. And then I'm gonna show you what you got to do next. Okay, so you're gonna be going to opening Google or Safari, whatever you preferred, and you're gonna be searching for disk. Come on, DiskMaker X. Click on DiskMaker X, and you're gonna click here to download, and it's a quick download. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you're gonna open it. Where is it? Let me see. Right there. You install it by dragging it to the applications folder. Yes, replace. I already have it. And now you can exit that out. And now we go to this utilities to set up the thumb drive that we connected to the computer, which is this right here. Just erase, make sure it's set up for OS Extended General. Erase. Exit this out. Okay, so that's done. Just close this utilities. Let me exit out of my Plex because it keeps scanning. Okay, so now you need a copy of Mavericks, which is free from the App Store. I already have it on my my applications folder, but just go to Applications Store and click on Download. I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. It's telling me I already installed on this computer, so I'm not gonna do that. What you do next, you're gonna open up that DiskMaker X. Yes. And you're gonna see that it has options for Lion, Mountain Lion, and Mavericks. You're gonna click Mavericks. I found a copy of the installer on the applications folder. Yes, use that copy. And yes, you're gonna use that 8 GB thumb drive. Yes, use that one. What it's gonna do is gonna erase and create the bootable disk with the installation folder, and that's gonna take an awful long time. So I'm gonna start the process over here, and I'm gonna move to my my handheld camera, and I'm gonna continue with the recording. Continue. It's gonna ask for the administrative password. Just give it a second or two. Okay, so now it's gonna ask for the administrative password, and this is the part where it's gonna take an awful long time, almost an hour. So what I'm doing is gonna stop this recording, and I'm gonna come back when it's almost done. Okay, so as you can see, the process already finished. It took an hour and 20 minutes in my system, at least, because it's an old system. But you can see how it finished. Now let's get out of here and continue on with the installation on a MacBook Pro. Okay, so now that we have our 8GB thumb drive Maverick installation disk, we're gonna install it on this MacBook Pro, which I already have Mavericks on it that I installed last night, but for the sake of this video I'm gonna install it. So just stick your thumb drive in your USB and just turn your computer on holding up the option key. So you can see, you get on the screen. Let's go to the OS Mavericks install disk. You're gonna select that. Okay, so here we are in the installation screen. First, let's go to this utilities. This is what you're gonna get prompted if you install an OS 10 for the first time. You're gonna prepare your drive, and you can see it's Toshiba 320 gigs. Probably be getting a SSD pretty soon. But in the meantime, let's go there. Go to partition. You're gonna create one partition. Okay, make sure that it's OX10 standard journal, OX10 standard journal and GUI partition table. Okay, click OK, and you can name it. I'm gonna name it Macintosh. Hard drive HD. Oops. Sorry for the camera movement. So you can name it like that or whatever you want to name it. Click apply. Yes. Okay, now that it's completed, click quit this utilities, and now you're gonna go over here and click install OS 10, continue, and you greet it with the Mavericks installation screen, and you're gonna choose your Macintosh drive, and that should take about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so once that's done, I will be back. So as you can see, the installation is almost done. Once it's done, the computer will reboot itself, and it'll prompt you with the Mac OS X Mavericks setting up screen. Wait, that was a long second. It's been saying about a second left for the past 2 minutes. Okay, let me stop this recording and come back when the computer finishes rebooting.